Take one, take 0. 1, 2, 3, go.
Ask student to play middle C.
Can you play middle C, the white keys that is on the left side of 2 black keys? Remember, it's 2 black keys.
What?
No. It's the C that is next to 2 black keys, not 3 black keys. Try again. Okay, good. Now you got the C. It's the middle C, not the low C. Can you try? Where's your middle? Middle is here, right? Can we try again?
Student accidentally turn off screen and ask for dad.
Wow, good job. You play really well. High five. Hey, wait. Are you there? Are you still there?
Son disturbs mom's piano lesson, part 1.
What happened, my dear?
Toilet.
You can go by yourself, right? Sorry, I really need to bring him to the restroom. Can you wait for me? Oh, it's okay. Go ahead. I'll be waiting for you guys here. Thank you.
Son disturbs mom's piano lesson, part 2.
Well, alright, let's play the next song. Sorry, teacher. Okay, let me try one more time. Sorry, teacher. Sorry, it's my son. Can we try again?
Dad gives death stare to annoying daughter.
Okay, Zizi, let's play.
Hey, don't play like that. Hey, don't play like that. Play like that. Ah! Teacher, why hit me so hard?
Can you go call Daddy now, please?
when a student uses the keyboard instead of the piano.
Okay, let's play row, row, row your boat. Come on, YY, you can do it. Let's try it one more time, okay? Let's go, YY. I'll give you a sticker when I see you next time. Let's try again.